Hello everyone, I am Sofikul Mullik. Welcome to Coding Adda. Today we will talk about loop. Here we have one for loop. This for loop is started from 0 to value 2 and we are incrementing the value of j by 1 every time. So this is our for loop conditions are there. J is initialized with 0. J is incremented by 1 every time. After executing this line, it will go until j less than 3. That means if I execute this loop, then we will got value 0, 1 and 2. Let's execute this program. Yes, we are getting value 0, 1 and 2. Now what we will do, let me comment out this style 1. Now we will go to style 2. Here we are initializing the value of I with 0. Then we have started for loop. Then we are printing the value of I. Then we are ending the for loop. Here if you notice, we don't have the initialization statement here. We have initialized outside of the loop. Then this is our ending condition and this is our incremental condition. Here we will got the same output, just a different style we have tried here. If I execute this, then we will got the same output 0, 1 and 2. Now we will go to another style. One thing here you can notice that we haven't used any parenthesis like other programming language. Now we'll go to last style. We don't have any while loop in Go. We can use this for loop like a while loop. Just a minute, I will explain. We have the for loop. We have already initialized I with 0. Then we are printing the value of I each time and we are incrementing I by 1. This is our initializing condition, this is our ending condition and this is our incremental condition. The same thing we have mentioned. So this loop will break if I equals to 3. That means it will print 0, 1, 2. Let me run this program. Yes, we are getting the same output 0, 1 and 2. So we have discussed here 3 styles. Style 1, the traditional one. Style 2, again this is traditional one. We have initialized just the variable before starting of the for loop. In the style 3, we have used for loop like a while loop style because in Golang we don't have any while loop.